What we have right here is the Frontier Fiber. Let us review it if it is still worth it or should you leave it. Frontier Fiber delivers symmetrical speeds up to 5 Gbps. That's blazing fast uploads and downloads. Great for streaming, gaming, remote work, or even smart homes. Plan starts at competitive rates, no data caps, and no annual contracts. Equipment is also often included, and you can skip hidden fees, but pricing can vary by its location. Let's see right here. You can actually extend your Wi Fi signal starting at $10 per month. So, the availability is still limited, mostly in metro areas, and while speeds are great, customer service can be hit or miss based on your region. So let us decide if it is still worth it. It is worth it if Frontier Fiber is available in your area. It is actually fast, modern, and contract free. But if not, you might be stuck waiting. Frontier in Fiber 2025 is cutting edge internet, but just not for everyone yet.